welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out for both Gracie and Ashanti, and this is what she has to say about both of them. Go catch the video because I will not tell you what she had to say, and then you will figure out what it is. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my family, subscribers, well wishers, whoever you call me, have yourselves a blessed day. And my message today is don't be triggered by whatever someone has to say. We have to ensure that we're not allowing anyone to master us, to our emotions. They can use our emotions to manipulate us into doing stuff and things basically that we know that will get us into trouble in the future. So we have to ensure that we're not allowing one to trigger our emotions, because when we're using emotions or our ego to lead, then we're not thinking properly. We have to ensure that we're in our thought process, that we're really thinking through things and not being led by emotions, because emotions can cause us to do stupid things. Remember that, lovelies and friends, and guys, have yourselves a beautiful day today, as always, and come back here for more every single day on the mix.
Truth must be told, and if you run the batty boy and make him go on about his business, it can, when he first started out on social media, it wasn't like that. But he make money and greed. It's not gonna put him anywhere. It's gonna put him in a sink of trouble, because people, there's like 4 people who don't want him. And me make 5. Now any day me can know by him, me serve him. Me not ask you. Me a serve him. If I the last breath leave nobody, I me catch him and me know by him, me a serve him. Me not ask you. And any day me blood clot catch him on the road, me tell her say me, Marcia, me a go jail for him. Because one blood clot he can't see back, me a give him. Just like if you catch a little bitch ass Gracie. Which fucking Gracie? Dirty girl Gracie. Dirty girl leaky. Cause she don't deserve a call. If I ever catch her, don't let me catch her no way in a New York City. Because me tell you already saying that me catch her, me a spit in your face. And me a kick you down. Me not ask you. I mean know you can't beat me. You see all them 2 big breasts there? You want a fucking ice break for joking at and leak it out. The fact them way in there. I make you can't breathe properly. And you can't breathe, you need a trick in your throat hole. Me, any day me bumbo clock catch you. Me not ask you. Any day me catch you, I am going to get arrested. Because me sick and tired of your big fat ugly blood clot self. When me fed up, me fed up. Me serious. When I'm fed up, me not chatting with that little bitch ass girl. Any day me catch you, me I tell us me going down. My baby father work for the police department, he will bail me. Him know all the way I go on. Me have my documentations from the police department, doctor, office, and psychiatrist and everything. Me must get to it at Ross. And me get a lesser charge. For harassment and bullying. Me not going to play with them. So that's what it come down to. Me in an argument with a little ugly fat bitch girl. Any day me catch you, me and you a fight. So you better make sure, as I told you, you better make sure, say, me going to my church fully. You better make sure, say, that is a promise. Now let me catch you. No way. If me see you in the airport, me embarrass you. If me see you in a plane, me call a name. If me see you in a supermarket, me embarrass you. If me see you on the street, a train station, I don't care where is me come and step to you. Me not ask you. It's a promise. Una not supposed to get no money like that. I'm not blogging that. That ain't no damn blogging. You can't depend on social media putting down people like that and people children. And telling them kind of discriminate all kind of lies. We're not gonna so speculation and whatever it is and expect to get away with it, not a backside. I just say reach, we're not chatting with them. If you want contents, come tell me which way there and see if I reach there. You tell me which party there and you say if I reach there. Make a batty boy ever announce which party there and see if I come for your ass. Make CJ catch him. Make CJ and him French him nowhere in the Queens. I must send CJ in picture and make it if him book him up nowhere. I must come a road somehow. I say if CJ and him friend ever catch you, if you call up him name like that, me not ask you. You know American people in the ramp. You know that. You know American boy them in the ramp. You understand? You know that. They don't play. And you have to tell us you have to hide. You better stay in your house and come out in the darkness. Because me tell us as long as you're in New York City, man, me know somebody must book up your ass. You can't find it now. All of them have to subpoen Matlock because of your page I use. A Matlock page you're using, the name. As all of them have to do is subpoen Matlock. Matlock have all the secret. All your secret. Not even credit the boy can't get their name. All your secret. Not for him page. He's using Matlock name. That like a big pussy. Excuse my language, baby. You know me can already. Them people don't understand what people do me at daytime. Me know you attempt to answer them, but you know what it is already. No, I'm just saying, me no saying a lady like, but this is a different story. No, I'm telling you, the boy they just irritate me. You know the Jamaican authority is supposed to come and arrest him if rape off that girl at Jamaica and pregnant that girl, because any call that girl is a handicap, him not supposed to sleep with her. No, much less breed her and give her a pitney. And rape her. Just like when do they that girl a Jersey, where I look for him, to serve him. Just wait. You must go down one of them there. That gotta take too long. So if gotta take too long, might as well sit and do it and done. You idiot. I can't stand him. The boy just irritate me. He irritate me. He irritate me. You understand here, man. I know today he might mess with me now. It's a going on 3 years now, road on straight now. You must think it's a joke business. This become mental right now. This become mental in my head right now for him. Me I tell you. Any day me buck him up on road, he must have one gun. And me have my one too. We have to go draw. No. It's become mental. And the boy voice is so irritating. I don't like saying sound feminine. It's so like a batty man. He just like I mean it just me don't know how people sit down and listen to that boy. I don't know how people sit down and listen to somebody start sound so. He sound like a hyena. The boy just disgusting and ugly. Huh? We look at dirty teeth them and I chat people and I call people name. Huh? Me fi call you, don't me fi call you. Me must call you. No sir. Anybody know the woman when breed at Jamaica with the children them. The disabled children them. Send them come. I pay for them. And anybody who have dirty landlord hitting them from Europe, send them come and show them picture. Just as how she take my picture, my family picture up in our live video. Send the picture then come give me. A big fat sour daughter. Let me show them how to look. Bright. And I'm blagging that. The boy they put my name over 3 years now. 3 years. That is a him need to get into him need to go to court. And everybody has said, Marcia don't answer, but damn it, man. No, man. That is become mental. It become mental. That is what it is. The boy him just looks so crony. You know, see, come like him skin a shrivel up like a dog puppy. You know, the dog them when I have no ear upon them skin, like the little his skin just a dissolved. I saw me see him look. Idiotness, I look at dirty teeth. And I like say him look good up and my ladies. I mean, my ladies, my ass with a short ass motherfucker like that. Eh? That's where you see him. You see him? You ever see him? No? You don't even want to see him. Eh? With a little short ass midget like that. Eh? That's why Anne-Marie said not have no dick. You want to have sex with dildo. If I mean go to a woman, he go with one woman, listen, he go with a woman, right? If you go have sex. And in the night, when they realize the sex done, a dildo and you strap on. Dead. Pain near me do. When she look under the bed, right to the side of the bed, not the strap on dildo and use but her. Not in dick dead. Don't have no pain near me. And she said can near me. I'm very a sample, you know. I'm very a sample. Eh? I'm very hello. You see, Albert, let me ask a question. When Anne-Marie over there behave so, what me could not go and go challenge Anne-Marie? Eh? What me none of no bloggers to go and go to Anne-Marie? Eh? Oh, when Anne-Marie come out and talk up things them. And go on. Oh, you don't go and people Anne-Marie, I dare you know. I bet you know. Eh? Good night. Eh, I bet then when Anne-Marie go over there and talk about 99 and talk about everybody else. Oh, nobody no blog about Anne-Marie. Why is that? Give me a reason. And them that's up there Anne-Marie attack. You're not afraid of her. Why is it nobody challenge Anne-Marie out there? Eh? Big up yourself, Anne-Marie. Big up yourself. No, we're not afraid of her. Oh, or because Anne-Marie don't really have a lot of people on her page. So I don't feel like say, we don't get enough views. But if me say wanna post me. But then and if me even come out and say shoes, everybody come down for me. If me come out and say dress, if me come out and say bag, everybody come down for me. But if Anne-Marie over there talk up the things them, nobody no interfere with Anne-Marie. So tell me the reason why nobody interfere with Anne-Marie now. You tell me. Eh? You tell me. Me so call it Doreen. Me not tell us me I go for something today. Me not tell her that already. The phone where you call me upon that's the phone no work on the road. That's what I'm saying. Me not tell her that already. Me not run when me do so say way. Yeah, so that is it. Nobody don't challenge Anne-Marie, but you challenge me. Eh? As if me sneeze, then talk about me. As me come out and say this, I talk about me. Yeah, nothing. And that's enough. Me can't say nothing. You know? No, sir. If me say bag, shoes, if me say breeze, then cost me. Huh? Me can't say nothing at all. Me not have. It's like me not have no opinion out here. You look, if when it comes to me having my opinion and any other things, them supposed to have their opinion, you know, and go on them page and blog. But anytime me if it says something now, it's a problem. Huh? That is crazy. No, sir. They were Donkey said it's world no level. Hi, how are you? Ambulance. What are you doing? What the fuck you doing? Okay, all right then. The wrong spot for further. May I go down, so this is not a good spot to stop. Me in the road. Let me stop right there, so. Yeah, I'm telling you. They must come out and expose them nastiness. A truth we must hold out here. Tell them how them wrong and keep talking. Because these people seems to have drink enough water and stay hydrated. Me drink water already, you're too late now. These people look like they have short attention span. But the truth must be told. Just as all them out here telling whole heap of lies and disrespecting and slandering people, baby and children, when baby, innocent baby and children don't have nothing to do with the blogging world, come out. And any school of Jamaica know that you did not get where you forget, and whatever, come talk. So the bad not give him no blood clot money, boy. Yeah. Like a damn little stinking pussy mouth boy, go sit down. Fucking big, dirty bumbo clot midget boy. Ugly no blood clot, I go on like him on the body. Fucking little stinking pussy drug dealer bitch. Batty boy. We used to have batty boy party around him yard. I go on like him in a body, live the way I cost people who have them blood clot nice apartment. And you a catch on the mat like pussy at night time. Yeah? And you a go on like you're in the body. You're no fucking body. You're no body. You have no credit in your blood clot name. You're walking away. A matlock pussy clot page you're using under in name. Matlock if you get in a blood clot trouble, you bitch. You little blood clot hyena, bumbo clot bitch. You look like a them blood clot heat up at in the water. You see your fucking nose big and broad. You over there cuss me all the while. Eh? You see your fucking nose stretch out over so? At least my won't fit my face. My won't fit my face. Your one fit your face, you're ugly no blood clot and tough. You're ugly. The two are ugly one way, two are match. One look like a blood clot mongoose and one look like a iguana lizard. A badger. Not even one look like a blood clot badger and one look like a bumbo clot mongoose. Iguana lizard are looking shape nice. You was a woman and have children. And over there supporting a narcissist, bipolar, sick, blood clot dirty boy. Fear customer and baby, and him have young children, disabled young children at that. And over there cuss every day about caca eye, and female then cock from yesterday to this so. He can't eat a drugs addict blood clot boy. I have a nerve of course these 10 people we are live better than him. If don't eat never fucking piece of car. Because him get excited and go sell him piece of old car because him thinks a giant now give him the big nice car for drive. Him thinks him not drive run in a buggy in a nice lagoon neighborhood. Him never know say. He never know say every good thing say him thinks him could have name pussy all in way to eternity. That ain't gonna work. You don't know that. You have to know if you treat a woman good. How long you think a woman is going to keep up with that? You name a woman all the way and you think that it is. No? How long you think that you know go on? That ain't gonna go on a long time. So when a man out there feel like you can't go in a house go near a woman crotch and say bam bam bam. Woman need more than that. Them the days they done. A hard time now. Bird can't fly on one wing. They need 2 wings to fly on. So you don't want to come in at people's house. You don't have nothing to give like a cooking or cook. Una guard, now stay down the lane. What is that? Oh, okay. Yes, stay down the lane. That is it. You don't want to feel like say no hood. Can't give you no house, land and title. For your ugly motherfucker like you. Look at you. And you are the one who is talking. You don't have nothing for half on a woman, but you want to rule woman. Or you want to come in a relationship, come rule woman, put your hand on a woman, and you can't even buy your fucking drawers to put on. Because the drawers you wear. You can't even buy your own drawers to put on for your behind.